In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch tabs quickly on Google Chrome phone app, Android/iPhone. If you're tired of hunting for the tiny tab button every time you want to switch pages, there's a much faster way built right into Chrome. The quickest method is the swipe gesture. Place your finger directly on the address bar at the top of Chrome. On some phones, you may have moved it to the bottom, and simply swipe left or right. Each swipe flips you to the next or previous open tab, like turning pages in a book. Make sure your finger starts on the address bar itself, not on the web page, and use a smooth, confident swipe. This gesture is great when you're bouncing between 2 or 3 pages and don't want to open the full tab view every time. When you do want to see everything at once, tap the tab switcher icon in the corner, the small square that shows how many tabs you have open. On many Android phones, it sits at the top right. On iPhone, it's often at the bottom. Tapping it opens your grid of tabs so you can scan all your pages at a glance. From here, tap any tab to jump right in or close extras quickly. This is the best place to tidy up when you've got a lot open, and it still makes switching back and forth easy. You can also keep things organized by grouping related tabs. In the tab grid, press and hold one tab, then drag it on top of another. Chrome creates a group, so those pages live together, which is perfect for separating work and personal browsing or clustering research. Once grouped, you can hop between the pages in that group faster and keep your main tab view cleaner. Feature availability can vary by device, so if you don't see groups, make sure your app is updated. For instant actions without extra taps, long press the tab switcher icon. A quick menu will pop up so you can close the current tab, open a brand new tab, or jump straight into an incognito tab. This is especially handy when you want to start fresh or browse privately without digging through menus. Remember, incognito won't save your history or cookies on your device. That's it. Simple gestures, a powerful tab overview, easy grouping, and a time-saving long press. Once you start using these, switching tabs feels natural and fast. Lightning fast browsing in the palm of your hand. You're all set. Done.